Call Quality Analytics comes in the form of an app based on Microsoft PowerBI. The first thing you'll see when you open the app is a Q&A section where you can just ask questions to the app about your data. Right here at the bottom, you have a number of suggested questions that are the most common questions asked to the app. All you have to do is to click on the question and the app will provide the most appropriate answer. But if you don't find the right question there, you can just type it in the ask bar in natural language. No need to be experts or to use technical jargon, and the AI engine in the background will fill in the right information for you. For more details, you have 10 report pages with detailed information on your calls. The Volumes section provides an overview on the entire service and its segments: active users, sessions, usage, network, auto-attendant and call queue sessions, PSTN consumption and Teams meetings, carriers, and destinations. Throughout the report, you will see interactive maps that can be used to drill down on the most important metrics, like this one for the session quality. In the Quality and Reliability screen, you have the session trend and a series of gauge indicators that give you the pulse of the situation based on quality parameters. Each gauge can be configured with thresholds that, when reached, trigger alerts to one or more people. We have also added the list of top 10 users with issues in each section of the report, so you always know what to prioritize and where to start your troubleshooting. Finally, we have added an interactive root cause analysis tree that helps you drill down a parameter by other related factors. You can find the same elements in the audio, video, Wi-Fi, and wired section of the report. The User Health screen provides a user-centric view of the data. Select a user from the drop-down list or start typing the name in the bar to filter by one or more users. The degradation and failure screens provide heat map based on audio, video, and network parameters and help you further identify the root causes of the main issues detected in the system. With the drop-down lists on top of the page, you can apply multiple filters that interact with each other to quickly identify the source of your problems. The Devices section of the report helps you locate issues on a timeline with the device failure calendar. You can also drill from the type of device that is causing the issue down to the drivers. Last but not least, we have created an alert dashboard that is fully configurable to let you know when some bad quality issue hits your users. If you like what you see, go to softel.com and request a live demo of the Teams Call Quality Analytics.